In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable sound notifications on Discord. If you've ever missed a message or a call because Discord stayed silent, this quick walkthrough will get you back on track. We're working in the desktop or browser version of Discord, and everything we do here updates instantly, so there's nothing to save at the end. Start by opening Discord and looking to the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see a small gear icon next to your profile area. That's your user settings. Click it to open the settings panel. This is where all of Discord's personalization options live, and we'll focus specifically on notifications. In the left sidebar, find the notifications section and click it. This page controls what you hear and when you hear it. It's organized to make sound controls easy to find, and that's exactly what we need. Now scroll to the sounds area. Here you'll see a list of events that can play a sound, like incoming calls, messages, users joining voice channels, and other common actions. At the top of this section, look for the master switch labeled Disable All Notification Sounds. If this is turned on, Discord won't play any sounds at all. To enable sound notifications, make sure this option is turned off. Think of it as the global mute for Discord sounds. Disabling it removes that blanket silence so individual sounds can work again. With that global mute out of the way, you can fine-tune which sounds you want to hear. Each item in the sounds list has its own toggle. Turn on the ones that matter to you, such as message received or incoming ring, and turn off anything you find distracting. This lets you keep important alerts audible without being overwhelmed by every minor action. A couple of helpful notes as you adjust things. Discord applies these changes immediately, so you can make a quick tweak and continue using the app without restarting. If you prefer a quieter experience during focus time, you can return here later and temporarily switch off specific sounds. Also, remember that setting your Discord status to Do Not Disturb will silence notifications until you switch back. And there you go. By opening User Settings, heading to Notifications, and using the Sound section to ensure the Disable All Notification Sounds option is off, you've re-enabled Discord's sound notifications. Customize the individual sounds to match your needs, and you'll hear the right alerts at the right time. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more responsive Discord experience.